Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Omran Hosani and Mohamed Haddouche. This is a game from Sharjah Masters Tournament, played in 2018. This game will test your taste. Omran Hosani had white pieces and he started with d4. Mohamed Haddouche played knight to f6. c4, black to move, c5, asking for Benoni, knight to f3. If d5, we would have Benoni, and if black plays then b5, we would have the Benko gambit. To avoid all this, Omran played knight to f3, c takes on d4, knight takes on d4, b6, knight to c3, English opening, maybe, bishop to b7, bishop to g5, e6, e4, firmly controlling d5 square, d6, white to move. How would you continue? With a quiet bishop to e2, or sharp queen to a4. Omran Hosani was in a fighting mode and he played queen to a4 check, knight from b to d7, and Omran Hosani castled queenside, lining the rook with black queen, a6, controlling b5 square, white to move. This is very important moment of the game. What would you do? Would you play a safe move like bishop to e2, maybe f3, or even king to b1? Perhaps white king would be much safer on b1. Or would you play sharp? General rule says if you have castled and your opponent didn't castle, then you should seriously consider opening the e-file, even if it costs you a pawn. Question for you. Would you play sharp, e5, or safe, king to b1? Please pause and choose. Did you pause? What did you choose? Are you attacker? In the game, Omran Hosani was very brave and he pushed the pawn. Would you do the same? Or would you play king to b1? So we have e5, d takes on e5, knight to f3, threatening knight takes on e5, with lots of pressure on the knight on d7, queen to c7, protecting the pawn. How should white continue now? Would you sacrifice the knight on e5 or not? Omran did. Knight takes on e5, queen takes on e5. Black queen is with this move deflected from defending the knight on d7. Bishop takes on f6, removing the second defender of the knight on d7. Black to move. Is black lost? What would you do? This is now the most critical moment of the game. Please pause and find the best defense for black. Did you pause? What did you find? This is how player with the white pieces imagined the game when he sacrificed the knight on e5. If black now takes, then the queen takes on d7, checkmate. But player with the black pieces didn't take the bishop. He played queen to f4, check. Rook to d2. What now? How would you continue now if you had black pieces? The threat is queen takes on d7 checkmate. Mohamed played b5. White to move. Can you see the problem? If c takes on b5, then queen takes queen, and after knight takes on a4, g takes on f6, and black is winning. So in the game, Omran played knight takes on b5, threatening knight to c7 check, and then queen takes knight on d7 checkmate. Black played a move, and white resigned, believe it or not, and the move is g takes on f6. White resigned, everything fell apart. Knight to c7 check doesn't work, because queen takes on c7, and the knight is defended. Black is much better materially, and black king is safe. What did we learn from this game? I guess that general rule moves don't always work. They don't work automatically. You still have to calculate a little bit. And let's go back to this very interesting moment of the game. This is the position when king to b1 should have been seriously considered to avoid a surprise check. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.